If opponent catches fighter's body kick, you will twist, kicking leg to the outside and pull away at the same time.
One more slow, one more slow. This one up, up, but this repeat. Quad up. Oops. 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 Stop. Kick. Oops. Kick. Kick. Kick back.
This kick is not easy to perform. Fighters should only attempt this kick after catching opponent's body kick.
This face to face cannot do because maybe he kick your hand. This okay? Maybe he kick your hand.
Once fighter catches the kick, quickly push back on opponent's leg and swing same leg to outside. And plant hand on the mat and throw a cartwheel kick.
So this you can do. So. In the fight, it's come. This, then you fake, kick, kick. Maybe you look your leg, but you punch, you fake up. Fake, punch, step, tip. Tip, knee, knee.
Fighter's balance is an important part of footwork. Fighters should never cross feet. This will leave you off balance and out of position to strike. Fighter should keep legs about shoulder width apart and stay relaxed to keep proper balance.
This no balance. No. You without. This better. This better. No. Maybe you. This no stomach. No balance. This better balance.